Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Guys, I would like to wish everyone Selamat Hari Raya, Aidilfitri, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. We would like to thank everyone for their support throughout Ramadan, throughout the Hari Raya period right now, throughout Shawwal, and of course throughout the year. You guys have been awesome, and you know we've been receiving a lot of positive feedback about the products also. I'm so grateful. And I'm very happy that the products are doing, you know, what it's supposed to be, you know, for the consumers, which is fast, convenient and delicious. So guys, the next Hari Raya is of course Hari Raya Haji, which is on 17th of June. Okay guys, so normally during Hari Raya Haji, of course what we'll do is we will do korban guys. So guys, we have been one of the biggest korban meat processors in Singapore, Alhamdulillah. We process our meat and we also process for other vendors' meat. So, for this year, we are glad to share that if you are looking to purchase your Australian korban meat, it is already available on our website at www.pondokabang.com. And for early birds, we are glad to share that you will be enjoying a discount, okay guys? For only $309, inclusive of delivery, okay guys, you can get one Australian korban sheep, okay guys? And apart from Australia, if you guys are into doing infak for your kurban, which means you want to donate the meat away, we can do that. But not for Australia, but for Yemen, for Indonesia, for India, and finally for Palestine. So guys, for Palestine, this year is the first year that we feel so much more obligated to do. So we look forward for your support, okay guys? For all this kurban, just go for www.pondokabang.com. I missed out one more place, okay guys? I missed out Mecca, okay guys? You can also do korban in Mecca. In fact, for Mecca is throughout the year because we also do Akikah in Mecca, okay guys? Alright, so we look forward to, you know, serving you guys this Hari Raya Aidil Adha. Just to share, your meat will be packed this way, okay guys? Will be packed this way. Alright, usually one carton, which is one sheep, is roughly about 15-ish kilo, 15, 16 kilo to 18 kilos. Okay guys? So it depends how big we will receive because you, as everyone know, the weight or the size of every sheep is not the same. But we promise you, you will get minimum, surely you will get 15 kilos of meat, okay guys? Which is packed that way. So it's easy for you to give away to your neighbors, to your friends and families, okay guys? So don't forget, because right now, you will enjoy a discount. So, go to www.pondokabang.com and purchase your korban meat from us now. Thank you.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.